Hello friends, welcome. In today's maths lecture, today we are discussing chapter number 3, matrices. On this today's lecture, we are going to study how to find inverse, that by elementary transformation. So, finding inverse using elementary transformation, there are 6 steps. As we know that any matrix A in the form of 3 by 3, that A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. So we want to find A inverse, that A inverse is equals to what? How to find? Then there are 6 steps. Step 1, that using by row method to find these by row transformation. That first stage is to change that A11 is 1. So convert A11 is 1. That again there are 3 steps. First, check either it may be A21 or A31 is 1. If A21 or A31 is 1, then it will be interchange. So we are taking what? Interchanging with R2 or R3. That R1 interchange with R2 or R1 interchange with R3. This is the symbol of interchange. If no R2 or A21 and A31 is 1, then we can add or subtract, that add or subtract R2 or R3 using some numbers. That it may be, suppose there are 3 numbers and there is 2 numbers, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So that type of way, that we can take it what? R1, that R1 plus or minus k of R2 or R1 plus or minus k of R3. If these two tests is fail, then we take a third test, that is what? Divide by the same number. That on that R1 we can do the operation, that R1 divided by A11. So on that time, divided by same number, that will be possible to get a 1. Now at this stage we are converting A11 is 1. Now using this A11, convert all other number at 0. Now on that condition, your first column, it will be changed as 100. Now the other numbers, it may be whatever it may be, but your first column is 100. Now that using for 00, we are taking what? Step 2. It is what? Convert A21 and A31 is 0. How to become 0? That add or subtract from R2 by same number using R1. Means हम क्या करेंगे? That A21, that we will change at R2 is equals to what? R2 minus A21 of R1, and R3 is equals to what? R3 minus A31 of R1. Using this condition or using this process, we can check the first column is 0, 100. Now we will taking step 3, that what? Convert A22 is 1 using of only R3, using only R3. Now how it will be? There is again a 3 stage. First it will be interchange with only R3, not R1. And then if there is an 1, then interchange with R3, it will becomes a 1. If this is not possible, this test is failed, then the second test is what? Add or subtract R3 using the sum number, that is what? R2 is equals to what? R2 plus minus k of R3. That take addition or subtraction of with R3 and it will be possible to 1. If this test is again failed, then the stage was divided by the same number. So that R2 divided by R2 by A22. Check here, there are again 3 stages. First is interchange, second is addition subtraction, or third is division. Using this rule you can do by the same manner. Then you have to what? A22 is 1. After A22 is 1, the step 4 is start, that check A32 and A12 is 0 using R2. That means what? R1 is equals to what? R1 minus A12 times of R2. So R1 is A12, A12 minus A12, that equals to 0. R3 is what? A32 on that column 2. R3 is what? A32. Then A32 minus A32, it will become 0. So we have the second step is 0. That first 1 0 0 will be happen. Then this 1 is 0 0, and whatever be third column we will check it. Now for third stage, this is step 4 is completed, we will start a step 5. Step 5 becomes A33 is 1. Now A33 is 1, but there is no row will be left here, so it is our only one process, that is divide by the same number. So convert A33 by dividing the same number. That means what? R3 is divided by R3 by A33. So when we division is possible, then it becomes a 0, it becomes a 1. Now if this is 1, converting above number becomes a 0. How to convert? That again subtract by the same number. So using R3, convert A13 and A23 is 0. How becomes 0? Just check up R1 minus A13 times of R3 and R2, that is R2 minus A23 times of R3. So there are these 6 stages. Using these 6 steps, you can solve finding any inverse using row transformation. We will take one example and we can take it all step 6 by step by step. So let 3.4 first example, A is equals to matrix of 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. There are again a 3 by 3 matrix, and find the inverse of this A. Now we can write A is equals to I of A. Then this A becomes of 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2 is equals to I becomes what? That I is 3 by 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A, because I into A, that possible A. So convert all these matrix into I, and when you can change in this matrix, that same changes converting in this matrix also. So now check, the step 1 is happen. What happened? Step 1 says that convert A11 is 1, that using interchange. If interchange is not possible, then add or subtract. If add and subtract not possible, then what? Divide by the same number. Now using these 3 conditions, check here that interchange is not possible, because what? 2, there is no 1 is here on that first column, here is 2 and here is 3. So this is not possible to convert 1 using interchange. So second stage is what? Add or subtract. If 2 minus 3 will be happen, then what answer? The answer becomes 1. So add or subtract is possible. So we can getting that applying what we do, that R1 is interchange, R1, that R1 minus R3, that 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1. Then change by the same way, that R1 minus R3. So that what? 2 minus 3, then minus 3 minus minus 2, 3 minus 2. The same process is here, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1 into of A. Solve this, that 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, then 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2 is equals to that 1 minus 0 0 0, it is minus 1, 0 1 0 0 0 1 into a. So first stage it is equals to minus 1, but we want to plus 1. So convert this minus 1 into 1. So applying that r1, that what, minus 1 into r1, r1 को minus 1 से multiple, that equals to what, minus 1 into minus 1, that plus 1, it is again change 1, it is change minus 1, other remaining numbers are same, 3 minus 2 2 is equals to same here, minus 1 0 plus 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. So first stage is complete now. A11 is 1 now. Now step 2. What is step 2? Convert A21 and A31 is 0. Add or subtract by R2 by the same number using R1. तो अब हम करेंगे that R2 minus A21 times of R1 and R3 minus A31 times of R1. So applying that R2 minus A21, that is 2 times of R1, that is 2 times of R1, and R3 minus 3 times of R1, that is R3 minus 3 times of R1. So check here that first row is same, the second row what, second row में से 2 times of R1 minus करना है, 2 minus 2 times of 1, 2 minus 2 times of 1, and 3 minus 3 times of 3 minus 2 times of minus 1. So we can take it here. Same way it can be happen here, that is 0 minus 2 times of minus 1, 1 minus 2 times of 0, and 0 minus 2 times of 1. Same, R3 minus 3 times of R1, that R3 is what, 3 minus 3 times of 1, minus 2 minus 3 times of 1, 2 minus 3 times of minus 1, we can write here. Same way equals to what, 0 minus 3 times of minus 1, 0 minus 3 times of 0, and 1 minus 3 times of 1, we can write on the same way here. So what happened, it is equals to, so this equals to what, 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 0 0 5 0 minus 5 5 equals to what, minus 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2 3 0 minus 2 times of a. Now first column is completed, that is what, step 1 step 2 is completed. Now take a step 3, that equals to what, a22 is 1, but now this is equals to 0, so we want to here is 1, so it will be what, first is interchange, but here is no 1, so add and subtract by this, so it will be what, it becomes a 5. So what we do, that we take an interchange of minus 5 here, that R2 R3 is here, and by dividing by the same number. So applying R2 as R2 interchange with R3, okay, so that equals to what, 1 1 minus 1, then 0 minus 5 5 0 0 5 is equals to same here, minus 1 0 1, now 3 0 minus 2 is second row, 3 0 minus 2, and 2 1 minus 2, the second row is here. Now we want to here is 1, so divide by the same number, then applying that R2, what R2, R2 by minus 5, then it becomes 1 1 minus 1, 0 by minus 5 0, minus 5 by minus 5 it is 1, 5 by minus 5 it is equals to minus 1, then 0 0 5 is equals to minus 1 0 1, 3 by minus 5, then 0, and minus 2 by 5, that is 2 by 5, this is 2 1 minus 2 of a. So this is what step 3 is happen now. Now we will do a step 4, that is what, convert this one into 0, that using applying that in R1, what R1, that R1 minus that time of, that is one time of R2, then it is equals to what, 1 minus 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 1, then 0 1 minus 1 0 0 5. Same doing on this way also, minus 1 minus 1 times of minus 3 by 5, then 0 minus 1 times of 0, and then 1 minus 1 times of 2 by 5, also minus 3 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, and 2, 1 minus 2 times of A. Solve this. It equals what? 1 minus 0 is 1. G1 minus G1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 0. 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 5 is equals to what? Solve here. So this equals to what? Minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5, 0, 2 by 5. And minus 2, 1, minus 2 times of A. Now, step 4 is completed. Last step, step 5. That convert this 5 equals to 1. That applying in where? R3. That R3. What R3? As R3 divided by same number 5, because this is last term. That last term is what? Same divided by the same number using our step. Then it is becomes 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 divided by the same number. Same we can doing here. Minus 2 by 5, 0 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 0 2 by 5, then 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 times of A. So step 5 is completed. Now last step, step 6. Convert this minus 1 into 0, and this 0 is become 0 now. So convert this minus 1 into 0. That what? Applying where this is an address of row 2, that R2. What R2? R2 plus R3. That minus 1 times of 1, that is R3. So we can take it. So this becomes what? Minus 1 becomes 0. Then we will take up 5 is common. That what remaining? Minus 2, 0, 3. Here is minus 3 by 5. Take 1 by 5 is outside. Then minus 3 plus 2. Then 0 plus 1 and 2 minus 2. Same 2, 1 minus 2 into A. That equals to what? 1 by 5 take common. That what remaining? Minus 2, 0, 3. Minus 1, 1, 0. 2, 1 minus 2 times of A. And this is becomes I. So when what I is happen? We know that A into A inverse is equals to I. So A is here. So what this term becomes? A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equals to 1 by 5, and that equals to what? Minus 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 2. And this is your A inverse. You can find by the same manner. That this is a very simplest term. You can do easily. We will next lecture we can take it what? By column method. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.